Hi guys, this is Dylan with the GR Auto Gallery of Indianapolis. Today, I'm going to be showing you this 1940 Ford Coupe. This car has been very recently restored. Black exterior paint. It's been freshly reupholstered on the inside. This car has a flathead V8 with a 3-on-the-tree manual transmission. Overall, super clean car. Please feel free to go to our website. There will be a full photo gallery as well as a vehicle description. Hopefully that'll answer any questions that you might have. If not, please feel free to contact us and we will be happy to assist you. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.